Hey guys, Chris Racine here, back from C&H Mullins again for another informative video here. I'm at my cabin here this Sunday right now. We actually came up here this morning and I was giving a, we want to call a review or a basic review of some of the ammunition I actually purchased here pretty recently. I was trying to get my gun to run the cheapest ammunition I possibly can for this vepr-12 here, and I went to my local Walmart because Walmart usually has the place that has all the different varieties of ammunition up here in the United States. So that's why I primarily go to Walmart all the time, because I can get ammunition in bulk quantity for usually between $16 and $20 for like a big 100-round brick. And I can also pick up any other kind of ammunition I want for my shotgun as well too. And while I was running the ammunition today, specifically the specific type of ammunition I was running today was the Winchester ammunition I have here. I was going from the Federal, and I was trying to get a gun to run the typical universal Winchester white box stuff right here. I got here right here for you guys. This is 7.5 shot or number 8 shot here as well too. There you go. It's 100 round brick, 12 gauge, 2 3/4, 3 dram equivalent, and this is what it looks like right here. This is the 7.5 stuff right here. That goes for this box right here. And I also got some other ammunition over here as well too. I got the Winchester AA ammunition right here, heavy target load as well too. And this is what it looks like on the top of the box. I got 2 different types here. I got the 1200 velocity, so it's basically around 3 dram right here for that specific type. And I got the other ammunition right here, which is about 2 3/4 dram. So here's the second box. This is 145 call feet per second velocity. So I was up there shooting these 2 types right here as well too, and comparing the results, comparing them to the typical standard Winchester right here as well too. So overall, the gun's shooting great with it right now in here. I even have the original Dissonant Arms recoil spring I got in my machine here as well too. I took out the factory spring and I put the Dissonant firearms recoil spring in here, and I was able to shoot all 4 types of ammunition I have. I got 1, 2, and the 3rd and the 4th box right here for that. So I was able to shoot all 4 of them successfully. However, whenever you're shooting the real light stuff here, the 2 3/4 dram, it's basically dribbling out of the actual ejection port area right here. And it's not, you know, shooting them out maybe 5 or 6 feet out like if you were shooting some kind of a heavier ammunition out there for that. So I just want to give you guys an update about what I got done with my vepr-12 here for that, and it's cycling great for me over here today with that ammunition here. And I'm going to be making a follow-up video here after I get this camera situated, so I can actually show you in detail each specific type. What I'm going to be doing is loading up 1 magazine. I'm going to be going from the higher level ammunition, which will be the heavy field load right here. I'll be going down to the 3 dram equivalent AA shells, and I'll be going down to the 2 3/4 dram shells as well too for the last ones here for that. So stay tuned, and I'll make another quick video after I post this thing, guys. I'll see you and have a nice day.